RTY, the trend is balanced now that we've been in this range for so long. The volatility has not taken us out of it. It's my belief that we're balancing widely but balanced. Structure is that we're in a large 16-day structure. We'll look at that in a second. Sort of looks like a B, yesterday's profile, which is long liquidation. However, usually. However, we've had a spike up that creates a new low day, and we had a spike up that then creates a new low day and closes in the low. My suspicion would be that there's lower auctioning going to happen. However, we're technically one timing up since the bullish engulfing day. The overnight profile was balanced neutral profile. Um, uh, POC rather. Weekly, we're tightly balancing between 74 and 60. The current price location indicates that we're likely to test 60 before we decide what's going to happen next. Failing to test 60 in the RTH could mean that we push through 74. Overnight was inside, same as gold. Clearly, everyone's waiting for NFP. NFP came out, it was negative. Didn't really seem gold ran up, but then has then failed off. So I'm not 100% sure exactly where that puts us. My guess would be that we're going to have a reversal day today. If you look at the weekly, the key areas here, the key idea is balanced. So we're stuck between. I've seen this before. We're stuck between these two horns basically. So I expect a test up here to fail, a test down here to fail, but then eventually there's a breakout of that area and then we get higher. So the question would be, how are we going to determine that? And the tools that I have to determine that are the day type and the points of control. So if we stay like we are below yesterday's point of control, I'm expecting lower exploration. I am, so that I would want to try and take that into the test of 61. That's what I'd like to see if that happens. Normal day short, take that, try and see if I can get a board short. If that doesn't happen, if we race across, then I would look to see if that's a reversal day. Then I would try and look to see if a point of control moves, and then I would like to sell 75 back down into the area. But based on that point of control break or point of control move or an impulse from the other side, something like that. That's basically what I'm looking for today. That is it for the rep.